Welcome to this tutorial on using the quickness feature in the 3M pattern editor. This tool was designed to save material and optimize cutting efficiency by automatically arranging your patterns. Quickness is a powerful feature that calculates the best arrangement of your selected patterns to minimize material waste and ensure precise cutting. To get started, ensure you have chosen your quickness size found in the Cut Properties panel. Select your desired patterns and the quickness feature becomes available in the Quick Action toolbar. Simply click the quickness button and a drop cursor will appear to place your nested patterns anywhere you'd prefer in the workspace. The tool will automatically analyze and arrange your selected patterns within the available media dimensions you've selected under quickness size. For added flexibility, Quickness also allows you to customize settings like spacing between patterns or speed and accuracy preferences. These options can be accessed from the slider button. Changes are applied, ensuring you have full control over the nesting process. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, click Apply to finalize your layout. Your optimized pattern is now ready for cutting. And that's how easy it is to use the quickness feature in the 3M pattern editor. For more tips and tutorials, visit our tutorials page in our support section. Thanks for watching.